Hello everyone, this is David at Grow and Eat This. Last week we were in the high 90s and in the middle of like a 12-week long, didn't rain at all. Past weekend we got about a half an inch of rain over a couple of drizzly days. This morning it's down in the 40s, so we've done a 20-degree temperature drop. It's going to be down in the low 40s again tomorrow. Highs are down, in the 60s here. And Friday, Saturday, Sunday, they're talking about us getting 2-3 inches of rain. Now, the rain is great to knock off the drought, but it has me really worried about my ginger. I've tried growing ginger for years and never got anything grew more than about 8-9 inches tall. And this year it's about 3 feet tall, and I'm really worried about the weather making it rot, getting the roots to rot. And I don't even know if there's any ginger down in there, but if there is, I'm going to be a chicken and I'm going to get it harvested, because I'd like to save as much as I possibly can, because I just don't want to lose it now to the cold snap and to the days of rain that we have coming. So I know that's not going to be good for the roots of things that want really hot weather. So we're going to take a little peek here and see what's going on. I don't know if I can literally pull it up. Well, yeah, I can. I don't know, does that count as ginger? Guess we'll rinse it and see. It looks like there's some ginger there. Let's try another one here. Yeah, it's grown some ginger. I know, in places where you grow tons of the stuff, this is nothing, but this is like the best I've had in 4 or 5 years of trying. So, oh, I think this is actually going to make some usable ginger for us. Ugh. There's some more. There's my starter. That's amazing. There's my starter. And it has grown some ginger. And it's got some new little starts on it. Like we got some ginger in here too. It looks like it's all coming up when I pull it. Okay, let's move over and rinse this off and see what I have. I'm telling you, never before have I had anything. It's just rotted in the ground. So if there's anything usable here, this is fabulous. Tiny piece. All right, I had 2 ginger plants. I didn't show you picking that one. It was sitting right next to the first one and was much the same arrangement. You can just pull them out. And they have lots of these little new shoots of ginger. This is pretty incredible. This is David at Grow and Eat This. Please subscribe. I'm northeast of Atlanta, Zone 7. If you're interested in gardening things, particularly in that area, I should be putting up 3-4 videos a week right now, because it's a busy time of year, getting things over to the fall. So, thank you for watching.